Please subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the next video. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Onion juice for hair growth. Does it work and how? Now I will share with you an amazing and special make onion juice for hair growth. Start this video, cover your scalp completely and let the onion juice rest for 50 to 13 minutes before you rinse it with a mild shampoo. You can use this application every alternate day to see best results. The rich sculpture content in onions minimizes hair thinning and nourishes hair follicles. One small study published in the Journal of Dermatology indicated that applying onion juice to the scalp might help hair regrow in some people. Researchers found that hair growth started after 2 weeks of using onion juice, which was applied to the scalp twice daily. I used to get 2-3 large onions, extract the juice, apply it on my scalp like hair oil, leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash off. Not many would know, but onion juice can do wonders for hair loss, facilitating hair growth, checking scalp infections and keeping it clean and refreshed. At this stage, 3 things should be added to the onion juice. That is, onion juice, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. And then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now mix it well and apply in on your hair. Massage it on hair, then leave it for 2 hours. After then, wash your hair with shampoo. You can use this home remedy 2 and 3 weeks for best results. Thanks for watching our video. So please subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the next video. Thanks for watching.